sounds beautiful. Listen to it. Oh my god. Hey! So this is Aprilia RSV4. Aprilia Tuono, not the RSV4. This is Aprilia Tuono. The 1100 V4. That's not the R version, I don't think. Not even sure. No, it's the standard version. It's really comfy. Pegs are a bit high, but the seat is nice. It's got a lovely seat on it. Really comfortable. It's even got a nice little screen on it as well. But the sound. Oh man. Oh man. That sounds. We've got all the toys, electronic goodies, traction control, launch control, quick shifter, ride-by-wire throttle, different rider modes, ABS, you know, the full caboodle. No electronic suspension, but everything else is there where you need it to be. And you have one of the best motors out there. V4 1100cc. Wheels up straight away. Jesus! Oh fuck! She is quick! Oh yes! Oh, it's got wheelie control as well. It doesn't feel like it. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. I think keeping the front wheel down is going to be tricky on this. I think that's going to be the hardest thing about riding this bike. That front wheel. This is in race mode. We are in race mode. So this is the aggressive mode. Quick shift is lovely. That front wheel. Bloody ridiculous. Whoa, slow down, Chop. Slow yourself down. If you're going to bin it in front of the ambulance, it's the place to do it, isn't it? Little bounce at the front. Nothing to get concerned about on this bike, you have to get used to that. Suspension is supple, but still compliant. The handling is unbelievably good. Unbelievably good. I've got to try the RSV4 now to compare. So it's that V4. That V4 just gives you an incredible growl, an absolutely incredible growl. It sounds lovely. It's straight out MotoGP. Bit a little bit on the road. Watch yourself. Chops it. It's so natural on this bike. After this, I've been on it about 45 minutes. It does feel natural. It's definitely one of those bikes you can jump on and then just ride it. But it does have a vicious side. Keeping that front wheel down is actually quite hard. I think if you were to really try and pull away quick, you'd be very, very, I mean, it has got launch control, but I'm not going to go there. I'm not going there. She's a beauty! Absolutely gorgeous. It's nice. Oh, it's the speed triple first gear comes up nice and smooth. That is comes up a bit too eagerly. It's more of a second gearer or a third gearer, maybe even a fourth gearer. It's got that much power. 175 of the BHPs tucked under the hood. under the tank. The tank, you've got this sort of overlap, it goes over your knees slightly. So I'd imagine if you're hanging off it, you could really tuck and lock your legs under the tank, which must be really nice. I mean, it looks lovely from this position. Really nice, well laid out clocks. I'll go in front of these jokers. Thank you. Lovely laid out clocks. You've got that bit, I mean, wind blast, I've not really noticed anything too bad at all because of that little fairing. So you've even got a bit of wind protection with it as well. Not huge amounts, not like a proper fared bike, but certainly better than the Speed Triple or the GSXS or even the BMW. Come to that. Really smooth on the quick shifter. The quickie shift, you do love a bit of quickie shift, and you do shifty rather quickly on this. Oh, damn, made me jump then. I tend to sort of rev as I change down, sort of speed rev match, I think you'd call it. Doesn't seem to like that very much, rev matching on this. I think it prefers just to be knocked down through the box and not try and rev match. Look at this guy, the MX-5. Or old lady, should I say. You've got a growling beast behind you, love. A growling Italian stallion up your dirt box. We want to pass. Let us pass! This was where I took the Baron blade up her bike. Ah! Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. It's fantastic. It's fantastic. It's right up there with the Super Duke. It's just the old Aprilia reliability worries would put me off buying one. I love this bend, hang on. Too much, look at the shit all over it. Too much shit on my favourite bend. Moony corner, that is. See, that's what the Super Duke is like. That sort of wheelie mentalness like this. Wheelie craziness. A little stab on the throttle in sort of third. And yeah, she's a wheelie in. Yes, it's got ridiculous amounts of torque. It's also got that top, it's perfect actually, because it's got bags of torque, but not only that, it's got that top end scream as well. So you really have the best of both, bags of torque and top end shit your pants speed. What's this in front? Come on mate, you got your supercar, you got your Lotus. Oh, is he going right or planning a crazy overtake manoeuvre? Yeah, he's going right. See you later, mate. Oh, it's just too much damn traffic. Did they not know the Chops was doing a test ride today? They could have closed the roads. Jesus. Engine braking's not too mental either. Nice amount of engine. I think that V4 engine configuration really is a lovely unit. Trying out the wheelie control there. Works well, works well. It's a bit on off. It does shut you down very quickly. Very quickly. So I was just trying to make progress then. And it had me bouncing up and down like a kangaroo. On the front, even at 100 mile an hour, you give it some right wrist and it is so light, it's skimming. It's proper hoonage time. Proper hoonage. Yeah, I like it, as you might have gathered. I bloody love it. Oh, what a weapon. What an absolute weapon. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. Aprilia have knocked it out the ballpark with this. They really have knocked it out of the ballpark. This is an amazing, amazing bike. It really does inspire confidence. It handles so well. Suspension is perfect for the road for this type of bike. A little bit soft when you're really pushing on, but you can probably play with the twiddlies for that. But as a package for a naked, it is fantastic. It certainly is the nutter's weapon of choice. Very vibey down there. Horrible, horrible noises. They would keep you awake at night if it was your own bike. Those types of noises. It's a bit snatchy, the on and off throttle at low speed, a little bit. That's a little criticism. Feels a bit like the chain's a bit loose and there's sort of a bit of transmission sort of jump, I guess you'd call it. You can probably hear it. It could be a loose chain. It could be just what it's like. Really comfortable. Bars, I'm in no discomfort whatsoever. No discomfort whatsoever. Beautiful. With that fairing, you could probably do a fair bit of touring on this as well, to be fair. But there we go, guys. I love it. It's fantastic. If you get an opportunity to ride one of these, I'm going to have to try the RS-V4 now, because I just love that. It's mental. I love it. Highly recommended. If you get a chance to test ride one, I suggest you do. And if you're lucky enough to have 13,000 burning a hole in your pocket, test this and test the Super Duke. They're both fantastic. Do it on the same day or you will not be able to make a decision between them, I tell you. This is the pinnacle of naked motorcycling, in my opinion. A nutter's weapon. Brilliant. Thanks, guys. Next time.